Secretary of Congress, I am come to say थोडीशी उतरां सगळ्या लोकांक सांगपाक येयलां. हांव काँग्रेसाचो जनरल सेक्रेटरी वास्को ब्लॉकान अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ ओलारीक रॉड्रिगीस I have joined this party thinking better think about the party and thinking to do good things for the party. कितें बरें करपाक चिंतून हे पार्टीन जॉइन जाल्लो. पार्टीक कांयच नासलोलें ओलारीकान ही पार्टी फॉर्म करून पार्टीक जीव वाडलो वास्कोच्या शारान. तेका घात केल म्हूण हांव ही पार्टी आयच्या दिसाक सोडपा पयलीं लेट मी कितें उलोवपा तें सत्य उलयता. फोटमान आनी स्टोरी कोण कांयच उलयना. हिंगा दिल्ली गव्हर्मेंट काँग्रेस पार्टीन हिंगा चिंदमरामाक गोंय धाडलो पार्टी हेड म्हूण. आनी पार्टी हेडान सगळे कडेन मिटींग घेयल्यो आनी सांगलें सारकें आनी बरें कॅन्डिडेटाक आपूण टिकेट दितलो आनी मेंबरान डिसायड करपा जाय आनी मेंबर डिसायड कोताय तेच प्रमाणे आपूण ते मनशाक टिकेट दितलो. हिंग कितें बोलतें जालें उठलोले नाचलोले सांडलोले मनशांक टिकेट दिली. रिकोचेर फोट मारले रिकोक सायडीक काडलो कांय सांगनासतना. चिंदमरम म्हणटाय तो आय एम टॉकिंग नाव इंग्लीश टू अंडरस्टँड मिस्टर चिंदमरम वॉट आय एम सेईंग दिस फ्यू वर्ड्स इन इंग्लीश. He was the finance minister in Congress government, and when he was finance minister, he passed a budget by saying people of this country, businessmen, people who are using credit card, debit card, they are looting the country. But people of this country didn't go in the jail. Who went in the jail? Who was looting the country? P. Chindambaram was looting the country. Why he went in the jail if he was not looting the country? Now the same party have appointed him to loot Goa. And he have given setback to the people of Goa, giving ticket for unnecessary, unwanted people who have not worked for the party. Overnight, nobody can work for the party. And how this party is watching from the center, I don't know. I was thinking that I am a weak candidate. They could not call. Rico is there in this party from 1984. In 1984, 37 years, the person works hard and faithfully to the party. If he doesn't deserve the ticket, then who does the ticket they should give? And you think the young generation joining this party, the young generation will come up working with this party? So the people and young generation should remember one thing. They should not join Congress. They can join any other party but not Congress. Because see, the person who worked from 1984 till date, if they can ditch him and stab him, what they will do to our young generation? दा मनीस येयले आमी आयत्रा कन्विन्सिंग कोता तिंगाय सांगिले मनीस तुम कन्विन्सिंग कराय तिकेट मेळटा तुका. रिको बाड काम कोता 5 फ्लोराचे सो देंवता चोटा एक घरान वयता तेज बारा आमी वयताय. सगळे लोकांक फटयले. आतां गिरीशान रस्ता रोको हे राहुल गांधी हाडलो सगळे केले लोकांक सांगले कांयच एकूच काम सारकें केलें ना. सो हांव गोंयच्या लोकांक रिक्वेस्ट करता तुमी कोणाकूय वोट कराय म्हळ्यार काँग्रेसा वोट कोनाकाय आनी काँग्रेसा दाखोयाय. दे आर नॉट वर्थ एंड दे आर नॉट फिट टू बी इन गोवा एंड दे शूड क्लोज द डोर्स ऑफ गोवा काँग्रेस ऑफिस.